iSpring's three-stage water filtration system is a whole house filter that connects to your main water line. Like an advanced Brita filter, it's designed to reduce sediment, chlorine, and clean up your water. It may seem intimidating at first, but it's easy to install. Here are my tips on installation, a review, and some overall thoughts to help you install your own system. I have zero plumbing background and was able to install the filter fairly easily. In the description below are the links and items I used to install the system in my house. What you first need to determine is what your main water line is made from and what size it is. Most modern water lines are made either from PEX, PVC, or copper, and they usually come in 1 inch, 3/4 inch, or 1/2 inch variants. The outlets on the iSpring are 1 inch female, so I used a 1 inch male nipple to convert it to a 1 inch male output. Quick tip, if you're using a metal nipple to convert to a male output, you're going to want to use a lot of Teflon tape, because the iSpring's outputs are plastic. You'll still need to use Teflon tape if you're using a plastic male nipple, but more if you're using metal. So once I had it converted to a 1 inch male output, I cut into the drywall to access my main water line, which is 3/4 inch PEX. I taped off the drywall temporarily until I can come up with a trimming solution. Then I shut off the main water line valve, opened the lowest faucet in the house to drain the line completely, then cut into the pipe with this PEX PVC cutter from Amazon. It was super easy. I then used this SharkBite corrugated flexible stainless steel water hose to go from the new 1 inch male output of the water filter to connect to my 3/4 inch water line. SharkBite offers a ton of size variants of this product if your pipes are different sizes. The push to connect SharkBite then attaches to either copper, PEX, or PVC piping, making it super easy with no welding, soldering, or advanced plumbing knowledge. All you do is firmly push the SharkBite fitting onto your water line and you're good to go. Once I made sure all the fittings were tight, I installed the filters by screwing them into their appropriate housing. The iSpring instructions will tell you which filter goes where. I then had a shot of whiskey to calm the nerves, turned on the main water line to see if anything was leaking, and now we've got freshly filtered water at the tap. The total install after parts was around $500 and 2 to 3 hours of work. Estimates averaged around $1,000 to have a professional do it, so I saved quite a bit. I think most people who are even remotely handy can do it themselves, thanks to SharkBites. The key is to lay out exactly what filter setup you want, find out your water line size, and buy the gear accordingly. As for the water quality, it is noticeably better. My hair and skin feel less dry. There's less chlorine, both in taste and smell, and it's nice to have drinking water right from the tap. As a note, this is not a water softener or reverse osmosis, so you'll still test numbers on your TDS meter, and fluoride will not be removed. This three-stage system is tantamount to a Brita filter where it removes about 97% of sediment, critters, and chlorine. All in all, it's worth it, even if you were to pay a professional to install it, and I think all houses should come with one.